All right, the second challenging shape to make is the rectangle. And so to make the rectangle, we got to do a little bit of measuring. We'll have a 1-inch side and a 3-inch side. Now, if you want to do a different set of measurements, that's fine. Just got to make sure that you leave a little tab for some glue. The way that I set up mine is I used a ruler, all right? And I went 3 inches, a mark, an inch, a mark, 3 inches, a mark, 1 inch, and then another mark. And so I have my paper set up like this. I measured it once across the top, then I measured it again across the bottom, same measurements. Used my ruler, lined up the lines, and I'm going to fold along those lines to go ahead and make my rectangle. Let me show you how I measured the lines. So again, you can use your own measurements if you want. You just got to make sure that it's a rectangle. So I mark it at 3 inches, mark it at an inch, mark it at 3 inches, and then mark it at an inch. And this little extra is where my glue is going to go. All right, and I do the same thing at the bottom. 3, 1, 3, 1, and then I just connect the lines. A little tricky to fold this, but again, you've made your lines, so now when you fold it, just find the line, make sure you have the edges lined up, and just go ahead and do the best job you can. It's not like we're going to use these to hold up a skyscraper, but at the same time, you do want to make sure that your folds are pretty accurate. So again, a couple of different ways to do this. You just find the way that works for you. All right, so now I've got my folds made. I've got a little spot for some glue, so I'll go ahead and put some glue on that spot there. Line up the edge. And if I don't get it the first time, well, second time might be a little better. Open it up. And I've got myself a rectangle.